channel. Today I will be doing a very much needed protein treatment. I got the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment, and I really need to do this because, as you guys may know, I am suffering from heat damage, so I'm just trying to fix that, and I never did one, and I've been natural for like 6 years. So I'm just taking the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment and I'm putting it into a spray bottle and I'm spraying it on my hair. As you guys watch me, just put it on my hair, which is simple. I will read you the directions and what this says to do. So it says that it helps to stop breakage on even badly damaged hair when used as directed. Now, caution, it does say it's for professional use only, so I'm just guessing that means a salon person has to do it. But yeah, there's a lot of proteins in this protein treatment. So the directions are to shake well before use. Gently cleanse hair with Aphogee shampoo for damaged hair. I did not use their shampoo, I just used a regular shampoo. Rinse thoroughly and towel blot dry. So as you guys can see in the beginning of the video, I just had my hair in like blotted braids. Next it says apply enough Aphogee treatment to thoroughly saturate and comb through the hair with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. So I did distribute it with my hands when I was done. I made sure I squeezed it in and everything like that. And I did see that it was giving me some curl definition, so that is good. And then it says leave on hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Sit underneath a hooded dryer with high airflow. It does not say, it does say that you shouldn't really use a hand blow dryer because it will agitate the hair. But I had to because my hair was just not drying on the bottom because it was too long for the hooded dryer. So basically I just got a hand blow dry, and on low heat I did those sections that were not dry. So it wasn't really agitating the hair because it was already, mostly dry. And then it says note when the Aphogee treatment is dried into the hair becomes extremely hard, which it did. It became so hard. Do not comb or brush hair. I was so scared to touch my hair when it was dry, y'all. It was just crazy. So then it says re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water and to remove all the treatment. And then towel dry the hair. And then next you have to go on with the Aphogee balancing moisturizer to moisturize your hair, and you leave that on for 2 minutes and then you rinse it out, and then you just style as usual. So that's the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. Now I didn't really like this. I feel like it didn't really do much to my hair. It did make it feel a little bit stronger, but I feel like there's other ones that I could probably find, because this one just didn't make it hit like I thought it was going to, as I seen it do on others. Maybe I need to do it more than once, which I will definitely finish this bottle because without the sale it was like $25, but I didn't really like it. And also it was like bubbling up on me. I'm not sure if it was supposed to do that. So yeah, I didn't really like it. It was sticky, it was running down my back. Guys, make sure that you don't wear something that you like, and make sure that you have like a towel around you and on you and stuff, because this thing was super messy. Everything was just sticky and it was just a whole entire mess. So yeah. That's basically it for this part, and I will come back when it's time to rinse it out. So this is what my hair is looking like with the treatment applied all over, and then I just sat underneath my hooded dryer for, it didn't take that long, like maybe 10-15 minutes, and this is what it looks like completely dry. It looks like I have a really big dreadlock in the back, and that's why I just felt like it just didn't do all that good, but maybe I didn't do it right. Maybe it was me. But yeah, that is how it looked, and then I went to rinse it out. Now, I did not record because I wasn't recording how I rinsed out my hair, but this is what my hair is looking like once it's rinsed out. And it was pretty, it had some good definition. I had some curls popping, but it just doesn't really look like I did that much. So moving on to the Aphogee Balancing Moisturizer. I actually used this before when I was first natural, and it wasn't because of a protein treatment. I just thought it was a moisturizer, so I used it. But, you live and you learn. But I'm just applying this. It is extremely thick, and I just put that on my hair. Some of my directions rubbed off because I was using it in the shower, so my words are just gone. But basically it says to apply on wet hair to maintain moisture and detangle. And you do all this after you put the aphogee in your hair and you let it wait for 2 minutes, and then you rinse it out with warm water. So this is just to bring back the moisture. It did feel really good on my hair. It felt like it did what it had to do. I just made sure I got it on all my strands, and I used like half the bottle, so I probably only got like one more use because I have so much hair, but it did what it was supposed to do. Again, I just feel like there's other protein treatments I can probably use that will do better to my hair, but I plan on doing protein treatments, whatever it is, every 2 months, so we'll just see how my hair feels and looks and stuff. But I'm just trying to get rid of that, heat damage that I got if I can. If not, I'll just cut it. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like with all the treatment on. I let it sit for about 2 minutes, and then I just rinsed it out with warm water. And then I just went on to styling my hair. So I'm just giving you guys all the angles and whatnot, and then I'm just rinsing my hair out. And yeah, it was very soft. It was very moisturized afterwards. It doesn't really feel like I did a protein treatment, other than the fact that my hair did feel a little bit stronger. And it was really easy to rinse out. It rinsed out in like 5 seconds, like no lie. It was super easy and quick to do, which I love. And then I just went on to, style my hair like with the rest of my products and whatnot. But overall, I give this like a 5 out of 10. It wasn't the best thing. I thought it was gonna like work some miracle on my hair, but maybe I just need to use it more than once. But this is what my hair looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.